Well, my name is Darren Morris, and I'm sitting here with GeGe Sutman, and she is a local real estate buyer. So what do you like about the big state deals that you've gotten from us so far?
The reason why I keep coming back is because, number one, because you've been so good with customer service and got me the best deals. But also, I like the way that the properties are already analyzed. Their titles are clear. The contracts are all legal. Everything is done. Really, all the legwork is done for me. Which with wholesalers, I have to do all that myself.
Mm-hmm.
And although that's not that big of a deal, it is when you find out they haven't done any homework and then there's a cloud on title, or that it's back taxes, all these problems, and I get through doing all the work on the deal and then find that out. Where when I come here, I know that it's not going to be like that, and then also I get a lot of support. You've got a team of people that analyze the property, the ARV, the comps, the repair value, and what I found is when I go do these deals, they're 100% accurate, and that adds value. And I really don't think that sometimes I have outside investor friends that say, well, you're probably paying them more. No, you're not. No, you're not, because every wholesaler puts in 10, 20, 30. It's ridiculous, and they're doing nothing.
Yeah.
But you guys, if you're putting that much on it, which you usually don't, it's totally worth it because all the legwork's been done in research. I get probably dozens of emails from all different wholesalers every single day.
Mm-hmm.
And when I see the deals they're offering, there really is very little margin if you're going to use hard money. I mean, if you've got a couple $100,000 out of pocket cash, then I guess you would be okay, but who has that and who wants to use that? I mean, that's not what you do.
Right.
So basically, the margin that you give me, I can get hard money and still make a good profit.
Mm-hmm. How many houses do you expect to do this year?
4.
You want to do
Every
one
quarter.
per quarter?
Yeah.
Okay. And
So far on target.
So far on target,
Yeah.
we got you the first
Started last
one.
year, yeah. Mm-hmm.
For the year, great. With this house that you just bought from us, it's in Champions.
Spring.
In Spring.
Yeah, Champions Forest.
And you're expecting to flip it, or
This is going to be a rehab project for me.
it's going to be a
I want it bought, rehabbed, on the market, sold, and closed in 3 months.
That's your goal.
That is
Yeah.
my goal, and it's consistently been my goal.
And then you sell it on the open market, put that money into your next house. Yeah. So what are some challenges, not just on our properties, but some challenges you've had with maybe some properties that you've had difficulty with?
I have a calculated risk worksheet that I fill out that I've made myself, and if it's got like probably 30 items on it, and when I buy a property, it better have like 1 or 2 checked off. Otherwise, I don't buy the property.
Mm-hmm.
And with you guys, there's like almost none on my checklist.
Mm-hmm.
So my risk is very low, in my opinion. A lot of times when I ask you something, whether it's, how do I get the utilities turned on, or what's the HOA, or what is this, it's you already do it all for me, and you just provide me the information, and it saves me a tremendous amount of time. That is so important to me because I'm all about time management. If one deal doesn't work out for me because I'm trying to, beat you down on the price, I just look at the website the next day or the next day or the next day until I find something. I know, I would dare to say that I probably use you guys 85 to 90% of the time. I really don't look at anybody else's deals.
Mm-hmm. Well, we appreciate that. Thank you, GeGe.
You're welcome. Thank you.